Precision and efficiency are paramount to maintaining a competitive advantage in the manufacturing industry. And we provide that at BP Automation with our straight pipe cladding machines. Our advanced machines are designed to tackle the toughest challenges in pipe cladding and hard surfacing, improving the longevity of pipes in harsh conditions. With BP Automation, you're not just getting machines, you're getting solutions. Our in-house team of engineers, technicians, and machinists collaborate with you to convert your manufacturing problems into high-performance automated systems. Our straight pipe cladding machine offers a wide range of features, including 4 internal welding torches, fully automated HMI control, eliminating operator error, a continuous spiral bead, and automatic current control regardless of surface irregularities. The machine can do pipes ranging in size from 8-inch to 48-inch diameter. It also features our patented single pipe or dual pipe function. This allows for one pipe up to 40 feet to be welded or 2 20-foot pipes. With 4 torches, it can weld independently or simultaneously in one direction, applying exact weld bead spacing to maintain full weld coverage. With the pipe water cooling feature, the entire pipe gets cladded at the proper temperature without stopping. The machine has safeguarding to meet the CSA standards to support a safe work environment. Our straight pipe cladding machines has quick setup with low maintenance, fully programmable torch height, wire speed, current, voltage, and travel speed. The weld surface speed is 50 to 60 inches per minute. With automatic current controls, we are able to seamlessly weld reducers and adapters, including eccentric reducers, in one motion. A combination of these features allows us to achieve over a 90% weld arc on time. Our machines automatically detects if the wire runs out and will automatically stop if any other issues transpire. Our 27 years of experience allows us to customize machines to meet the needs of any pipe cladding job. Make your life easier through automation. We've got your straight pipe cladding needs covered. Call us or visit our website to see how our pipe cladding machines can enhance your manufacturing process today.